Balak mo ba magtayo ng Run Online private server? Here are the talents that you need to look for. Number 1, the streamer. The streamer is the bread and butter for the gaming industry. The Mobile Legends is attributed, or the success of Mobile Legends is attributed to one man. Ako si Doggy. Alam naman natin yan. Kung Mobile Legends player ka, alam mo yan. Jukes and the rest. So, maraming bumuhat na streamer kay Mobile Legends. Number 2, the content creator. The content creator naman is yung mga gumagawa ng video. Editing, nag-e-edit sila. Kung makakuha ka ng streamer na gumagawa ng content, nag-e-edit, mas maganda. Number 3, the shoutcaster. The shoutcaster na pinauso naman, naalala nyo ba yung sa Dota 2, yung lakad matatag?
Ito, pumasok na, tingnan natin.
Aegis yan! Oo, matigas ka. Laku, lakad mo, latag matatag, lakad matatag!
Normally.
Ekos Lama Jama! Tapos, ang boxing! Isama!
So, yun, doon ang galing yung shoutcaster, and then naging part na siya ng gaming industry. You have to have one. And sa Run Online, ang sumisikat na shoutcaster is number 1 si Popsy, and number 2 of course si Kentabs. Kentabs is getting there, but still the king of shoutcasting sa Run Online community, of course, si Popsy. Number 4 is the podcaster. Podcast is something new to the community. Medyo nakilala yung podcast for a different reason naman. Ang nagpauso naman yan is Rex. Ang ginagawa naman niya is kinukuha niya yung mga negative vibes ng mga nagkaka-issue na server and pinapodcast niya. Merong mas magandang purpose kung paano magagamit yung podcasting. Like, pag mag-up ka ng server, pag-usapan niyo yung mga features, mga events, and others. Kumbaga, instead of focusing on the negative side, mas maganda sana yung business opportunity kung dito ka nag-focus sa good side. So, what's good for the server, yung mga features, gameplays, napakaraming pag-usapan sa Run Online game. Instead of kukuha ka ng issue tapos i-highlight mo, it puts a negative impact. Pero meron din namang point sa Rex na kumbaga ibinubulgar niya yung mga kabaluktutan ba. Kumbaga siya yung siya yung kapag ka may masamang ginawa yung server owner or may hindi magandang nangyari sa Run Online, to get the views, pinapodcast niya. Pero again, there's a different purpose na magagamit sana natin ng mas maganda yung podcasting. Still new. Si CJ, actually ginawa niya yun shoutout nga pala kay Boss CJ. Siya yung gumawa nung kinakausap niya yung mga guild leader, kinakausap niya yung, on the positive side. So dun sa podcasting, kay CJ ako doon. Instead kay Rex, kasi the negative, although necessary, sana hindi siya yung main, hindi siya yung main content. Kumbaga, part siya, pero let's be positive ba? Mas dapat nakatutok tayo dun sa positive side. So yun lang yun. So magtatayo ka ng Run Online private server, you had to have these talents. Follow for more.